your hand?
How to
No, you're not listening again. How did you break your hand?
How did you break your hand?
What is the mistake?
Hand.
Then, come on, he realized it himself. Come on, say it. How did you break your hand? And did you? It is in the past tense, no? Not now. How do you break your hand? Okay? That's different. How did you break your hand? Say that.
How
Louder, louder.
how did you break?
No. You said your. Listen to me. How did you break your hand?
How did you break your hand?
Good. Very good. Ask her.
How did you break your hand? What happened?
Very nice intonation. You ask her. What happened?
What happened?
Okay.
I fell down from the slide.
You fell down, I remember. But from where? From a high stool? I didn't understand that.
Slide.
Slide, which goes like this. Show me, how does the slide go? Yes, that's slide. Or shoot, I fell down from the slide. Say that.
I fell down from the slide.
Oh my God. What is that called? Slide.
Slide.
No, slide. That's right. She fell down. Say that. She fell down.
She
Fell down
down.
from the slide. From the slide. Oh my God. Did it pain? Ask her. Did your hand pain? Listen to me. Did your hand pain a lot?
Did your hand pain a lot?
You ask her. Copy my voice. You are saying how, what was it? Did it pain a lot? Did it pain a lot? Up. Did it pain a lot?
Did it pain a lot?
Up. No, your voice. Copy. No.
Loudly.
Look at that. Very nice. Ah. Like that. I can't hear your voice. It's the same. Don't say that. Let me hear her. So go raise it up. Now still more. Don't be afraid of getting the pitch. See, when I'm giving instructions, you don't give instructions. Let her listen to me. जोर से नहीं. We want her to raise the pitch. Okay. So I want you to talk in that voice. जरा फेंको बाहर. So ये आवाज में बोलो. Did it pain a lot? You are saying, listen. Did it pain a lot? क्यों मुंह हिलता है ऐसा क्यों होता है? Your voice. Did it pain a lot? Not nice. Did it pain a lot?
Did it pain a lot?
Better. Did it pain a lot? Ask her. Did it pain a lot?
Yes. Did it pain a lot?
Okay, then what happened? You fell down. Your hand broke. Then what happened? Did you cry? You didn't cry?
Oh yes.
Oh, so you ask her, did you cry? Did you cry a lot? Expression. Ask her.
Did you cry? Yes, I cried.
Okay, you ask her. Up. The voice must be up. Not like that. See, did you cry? No. Did you cry?
Did you cry? cry a lot?
Okay, not bad.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I cry a lot.
You cried a lot. Then, but what did you do then? What did you do? Ask her. Then what did you do?
Then
Oh, no,
what?
no. One. Then what did you do?
Then what did you do?
You ask her.
Then what?
No, up. Then what did you do? Expression.
Then what did you do?
Okay. Then what did you do?
Then what did you do?
Good.
I went to the doctor.
You went alone to the doctor? You went alone to the doctor? You must have come. What did she do then, Mummy? Tell me.
I picked her up.
But how did you know?
I was in the near the slide.
Let's ask her. Where is the slide? Ask her. We don't know where is the slide. In the house or in the garden? Ask her. Full thing, huh? Where is the slide? Is it in the house or is it in the garden?
Where is the slide?
Huh?
Is it the old? Is it the
No.
garden?
Is it in the house? Is it, if you're going to say home, is it at home? But you don't say at home. Is the slide in the house or is it in the garden?
Where is slide?
Huh.
Is it in house or is it in garden?
Yes, that's it. You asked her. Full sentence. You listen to me. Where is the slide? One. Listen to me. You've got to say 2, 3. Not just one sentence. You're a big girl. Okay. Where is the slide? Is it in your house or is it in the garden? Everything must be perfect.
Where is the slide? In the house.
Is it?
It is in the house or in the garden?
Or is it in the garden? Both the time. Is it? It is a question. Is it in the house or is it in the garden? Is it in the? It is changed. It's a question. Is it in the garden or is it in the house or the other way? Listen from beginning. Where is the slide?
Where is the slide? It is in garden or it is in house?
Okay, now say this properly. Where is the, wait, where is the slide? Where is the, wait, slide?
Where is the slide?
Slide. It's a big diphthong. See? I. It is not slade. It is not slade. It is a diphthong. I. That you must speak properly, make her listen properly and follow the vowel pattern correctly. If the vowels are enunciated properly, the intelligibility of speech is much better. The vowel pattern has to be right. Intelligibility means I am talking and how well can other people understand me. Okay? Every word has a vowel. There is no word which doesn't have a vowel. Vowel यानी स्वर. और इतने सारे स्वर है अ आ इ ई उ ए ऐ ओ औ. अभी ये इसमें स्लाइड आई है ये. It is not just a or e. Slide. So if you are finding it difficult to say, you stop. Where is the and wait. Slide. Where? Listen. High, pitch higher. Where is the slide?
Where is the slide?
Slide.
Slide.
Okay. You have to get her to say a, a, e, u, e, I, o, au, e, I, o, au, aha. हिंदी में जो है ना, इंग्लिश में खाली 5 वावल है. वो 5 वावल इतने सारे साउंड बनाते हैं. ए जो है वो आ भी होता है, ए भी होता है, सब कुछ होता है. लेकिन हिंदी में, मराठी में हमारे इतने सारे हैं. वो रोज के रोज बिल्कुल क्लियरली उससे बोल लेना है. अ, आ, ई, उ, ए, आई, ओ, औ, आहा. All of you can do that.